Grow YouTube in 5 steps. Step 1. Define your target audience. Before you start creating content, it's crucial to understand who your target audience is. Determine their demographics, interests, and preferences. This knowledge will guide your content creation and help you tailor your videos to resonate with your viewers. Step 2. Create compelling content. Producing high-quality, engaging, and valuable content is vital for attracting and retaining viewers. Research what kind of content is popular in your niche and find your unique angle. Strive for consistency in terms of video quality, editing, and delivery. Experiment with different video formats, such as tutorials, vlogs, or educational content, to keep your channel diverse and interesting. Step 3. Optimize your videos for search. YouTube is a search engine, so optimizing your videos for discoverability is essential. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Conduct keyword research to identify the terms your target audience is searching for. Additionally, create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video titles to entice viewers to click on your content. Step 4. Promote your channel across platforms. Don't limit yourself to YouTube alone. Leverage other social media platforms to promote your channel and increase your reach. Share snippets or teasers of your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Engage with your audience on these platforms and encourage them to subscribe and watch your content. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal community is crucial for channel growth. Respond to comments, address feedback, and interact with your viewers. Encourage discussions and ask for suggestions on future video topics. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to connect with your audience in real time. By fostering a sense of community, you can create loyal fans who will help spread the word about your channel.